Hi students, today topic is population forecasting method. What about population forecasting method? Nothing but the population increases day by day and also water needs. Huge amount of population increases day by day. The amount of water is also used. So demand of water is increased. So how much amount of population increased and that too how much amount of water is supplied. That is in population forecasting method. Mainly divided into five types. The population forecasting methods is widely divided into mathematical method, decreasing rate method, simple graphical method, compared to graphical method, master plan method. What is mathematical method? The mathematical method nothing but the rate of increase in population assumed constantly, and the average increase in population is worked out from the records of the past decades past decades, and then the average is added to the present population to the population of successive decades to the and also required population. In depth of arithmetical increase method nothing but for suppose present population before 1 decade, population before 2 decades, population before 3 decades, etc. 4 5 6 7 etc. These are also nothing but we are using arithmetical increase method. How much amount of population increased first decade and present decade and second and third decade. That is in uh, a difference between decades increased population, and also how much amount total increased per examples pattern. Clear? And these 1 decades, that is average. For suppose first year is 10,000, and first year to second year is 20,000, and second year to third year is 30,000. These are increased how much amount, and calculate these three amounts and average nothing but count of 3, count of 4, count of 5. That is clearly explained in problematic point of view, don't worry. And how much amount of population after 1 decade, that is averaged by 3 is there, that is added to the present decade. Our population after 2 3 4, that one is added to the population of the particular year point of view. That is in arithmetical increase method. Clear? Next, geometrical increase method. Geometrical increase method, it is assumed that percentage of that is percentage of increase in population is constant. Basically our records percentage increased is calculated. Basically this is an example, that means problematic pattern that is worked out. The population of successive future decades is calculated based upon calculations nothing but for suppose given example, that is present population is 50,300, and population before means previous, before 1 decade is 46,500, population before 2 decades 43,100, population before 3 decades, that is 40,500. Calculate the probable population after 1, 2, and 3 decades. After this one is display is before, and calculate the after 3 decades, after 1, 2, 3 decades by using arithmetical method and a geometrical method and increase increment method. That is in we are discussing arithmetical and geometrical method. What about arithmetical increase method? Arithmetical increase method nothing but increase between present and first decade. Present means 50,300 and first decade is 46,000. Increase. How much amount of increase means uh, present situation is 50,300 before 1 decade is last year or last decade, that is 46,500. Compared to the last year to this year increase mostly 4,000. Mostly 4,000. Mostly. That is 3,800. Same as increase between first and second. Previous year to before previous year. That is 46,500 to 43,100. That is 3,400. Same as. That is total increased. How much amount of total increase? Nothing but this is, for example, this is starting year and this is ending year. Compared to the how much amount of population increased is 40,500 minus 50,300. Aroundly 10,000. Aroundly 10,000. We say total increase is 9,800. That one is compared to 3 decades, nothing but average increase per decade. For suppose average per decade, nothing but total increased by average. Average means either 2, 3, 4 by average. That is approximately 3,267. Population. These values are before population. We calculate after population. Population after 1 decade is that one is present. 50,300 is present population, and 1 decade after 3,267 members is increased. Totally after 1 decade is 53,567 people are increased. Then after population after 2 decades is present. Present means 1 decade value. Present means 1 decade value. 53,567 plus 3,267. That is also added. 56,834. Same as population after 3 decades, nothing but present. Present nothing but 3 before 2. That is 3 decades. 3 decades before is 2 decades. That is 56,834 plus 3,000 nothing but 60,101. Same as that is population after 1, 2, 3. That is in arithmetical increase method. And then after geometrical uh, increase method, that is also same as nothing but first of all we calculate the percentage increase. That is in definition point of view. It is assumed that the percentage increase in population, percentage increased in population is constant from the available records. Available records nothing but shown the figure, given the values. Given the values nothing but this one. Given the values nothing but this one. And mainly the available records is, and percentage increase is worked out nothing but calculate the percentage, how much amount of population increased. That is in percentage point of view. That is percentage in the first decade, second decade, third decade. Clear? That is in percentage increased in present, first, second, and third. 1 decade, 2 decade, 3 decade. In between the gap, the percentage is increased, calculated. That is between present and first. Present is 50,300. Present population is 50,300. Before 1 decade is 46,500. 50,300 minus 46,500 by 46,500 is approximately 8.17 percentage increased between first and second. That is also 7.89 between second and third. These are calculated by this one to the, and finally is 6.42. Total is 22.48 percentage increased in between the present population and before previous 3 decades. Compared to the previous 3 decades to present population is population increase percentage is in geometrical increase method 22.48 percentage increased. Average percentage, basically average how much amount of population increased is 7.49. Average nothing but count of count of nothing but either 2 is there by 2, by 4 is there, average by 4. That is 22.48 by 3 is 7.49 percentage. Population after 1 decade, how much amount of population? Basically geometrical increase method calculate the average percentage point of view. 50,300 plus after 1 decade. In that geometrical increase method, present into increased percentage. That one is 0.75. 7.45 percentage, approximately 7.5. That is 7.5 by 100, nothing but 0.75. Present into increased percentage. That is previous, adding to the present population. That is total after 1 decade. Same as population after 2 decades, nothing but 1 decade plus 1 decade into average percentage. That is total amount. And population after 3 decades, nothing but 2 decade value. That is 58,128 plus same as 2 decade into average increased percentage 0.75. Clear? Carefully remember in that 0.75 same as. Clear? 62,488. Clear? That is in geometrical increase method. Next one, incremental increase method. What is meant by incremental increase method? Incremental nothing but in between present. That one is population. How much amount increased in between third and second and first and present. That is present in nothing but 50,000, 50,300. Before 1 decade is 46,500. 38,000, 3,800. That is basically population increased. And incremental increase method is nothing but average increase per decade. Average increase per decade. That is considered as arithmetical increase method. Per decade is 3267. This value is in arithmetical increase method. That is also average increase per decade. That is 3,267. And below the brackets, in brackets, as calculated in arithmetical increase method. The value calculated in arithmetical increase method. And next, basically period increase in population, incremental increase. That is third and second. Third and second nothing but uh, previously. What about 2,600, 3,400, and 3,800? Nothing but calculated in increase between present and first decade is 3,800. Increase between first and second is 3,400. Increase between second and third is 2,600. And placed in simultaneously last to first, third to second, nothing but 2,600, 3,400. That is increased, no increased. 2,600 and 3,400 increase is plus 800. Second, same as second to first and first to present. That is increased is 400. Total is 1,200. Average incremental increase. Only 2 years increased is average. But in 3 rows, but average is 2 rows. That is third to second is no increased. Second to first is increased only. Clear? And also by 2 is 600. Average. Clear? Average basically incremental. That is in our method, incremental increase method, average is 600. That is in present. Clear? Finally, population after 1 decade. Present population plus in arithmetical calculation 3267, that is in given that 3267 plus 1 into average incremental increase, that is 600. These three values are added. Finally, population after 1 decade is 54,167. These are calculated in the method of incremental increase method. Same as population after 2 decades is 54,167 and plus 3267. These are also calculated in previous arithmetical method, arithmetical increase method. And next, second is 2 into 600. 2 decades is nothing but 2 into 600. 3 decades nothing but 3 into 600. Finally, these are values. Find out using incremental increase method. Find out the population after 1, 2, 3 decades. Population increased. Clear? Okay. Next. decreasing rate of growth method. That is nothing but basically how much amount of decreasing rate of growth method basically follows a certain limit may be happen that the early growth may be attained, increase in rate and the little growth may be at a decreasing rate. Basically nothing but to find out the decreasing rate of growth method, nothing but how much amount of population. For example, uh, uh, 1930, 1940, 1950, 1960, that is in the year, and population also small variation 9,000, 30,000, 17,500, 23,000. These are basically decrease in rate of growth method, nothing but how much amount of increasing. That is in a small example is there in the year 1900 in the year 1930, 1940, 1950, 1960 year and population particular year. Calculate the probable population in 1970, 80, 90 by decreasing growth rate method. By decreasing growth rate, nothing but increase between 1930 to 40, 9,000 to 13,000. How much amount of population increased? 4,000. Same as 40 to 50, 4,500. 50 to 60. That is total 5,500 increased. And these population, percentage increase population, for suppose 4,000 increased, 4,000 increased divided by 9,000. Total value is total population increased in between 1930 and 1940. Clear? That is 4,000. These population divided by present year, how much amount increased? Clear? Carefully listen. Carefully listen. Nothing but 1930 to 40, how much amount population increased? 4,000. 4,000 by current 9,000 into percentage means 44 percentage increased. That one is averagely 9,000 compared to difference between 4,000 and 9,000 approximately half of the amount of 9,000 is 4,500. Approximately 4,000 is 44 percentage. That is in between the gap 1930 to 1940. These are shown in percentage increase in population 4,000 by 9,000 into 100. That is 44,000 increased. Same as next population increased in population nothing but 1940 to 50. 1940 to 50 is 4,500 person. That is population increased 4,500. And then after in between the year 1940 in the year is population is 13,000. Increase the percentage by in the year of 1940 population. That is carefully remember. Percentage increased in 1940 is 44 percentage. How much amount to decrease in percentage is zero. That one is compared to anyone, not anyone. Only we taken the value is 1940 here. And next percentage increase in 1950 is 1950 in between before the year is there 1940. That one is how much amount is 44 percentage and percentage increase in 1950 nothing but 44 minus 34 approximately 9.8 percentage is increased in the year of 1930 to 1950 compared to the 1930 to 1950. That one is 9.8 percentage decrease in percentage increased. Clear? And next 5,500 by 17,500 into 100. What is 17,500? That is population in particular 1915 year. 1915 year. Percentage increased calculation nothing but previous year of 1960. 1960 means 1950 population increase between 1950 to 60 by 1960 population into percentage is 100, that is 31 percentage. In between gap of 34.6 and 31.4 is gap is 3.2 percentage. Total decreased. How much amount decreased is 13 percentage, and average is in between the condition of calculating two values, 6.5 percentage. We get the percentage increased in 1960 and 1960. Calculate the population 1970, 80, 90 by decreasing growth method. We calculate it first. We get a percentage increase in 1960 as 31.4 percentage. That is in the year. Thereafter, net percentage increased in 1970 is 31.4 minus 6.5. This one, 24.9. Net percentage increased in 1980. That is in 24. Previous year minus 6.5. These are calculated net percentage increased. These calculated net percentage increased. And based upon population in, calculate the probable population 1970, 18, 90 and calculate the these net percentage. Find out the population in 1970, nothing but 23,000. What is 23,000? That is in the year of 1960. 23,000 plus current year, 23,000 into how much amount of increase in that is 24.9 by 100. Finally, 28,727 population particular in the year is 1970. Compare of these 6.5 percentage average decreased, adding to the compare remaining population 1918, 1990. That one is net percentage increased 1980. That is in 18.4. And basically 1918 means sorry, population in 1980 nothing but taking the value 28,727 is population in 1970. The value is 28,700. That is in population 1970 plus adding of previous year plus current nothing but 18.4% is increased percentage. That is 18.4 by 100 means basically of 34,012 members. And same as population in 1990 is 34,000. That is in previous year of 1990, nothing but 1980 population plus previous population into increase percentage. That is 11.9 by 100. That is average 38,000. These are the population increased. That is in the population is 1930 is 9,000. 1940 is 30,000. Sorry, 1930 is 9,000. 1940 is 13,000. And 1950 is 17,500. And 1960, clear? 1960 is population nothing but 1960 is 23,000 and remaining next 1970 is 28,000 and 1980 34,000. 1990 is approximately of 38,000. These are the values of population in different years. Clear? That is in a decreasing rate of growth method. Next, simple graphical method. Simple graphical method nothing but how much amount of population particular year is increased. That is in representation by graph with a simple graph. In the graph is a population increased graph and year of the graph. That is in shown in graph. The population is 1930, 40, 50, 60, and 70 up to 1990. These years are taking previous methods. That is in simple graphical method, nothing but population and population growth curve. Population growth curve, nothing but the relation between the population to the year 1930, 9,000. In the year 1990, 41,000 population increased, 41,000. That is high-end benchmark. These dotted lines, we are calculating the previous method. Previous method, nothing but mathematical method, decreasing rate method. We are calculating the population. High end of the, that one is decreasing rate of growth method in the particular 1990. 38,059. Approximately this one, 39,000. That is in the graph representation. Simple graphical method. Next, compared to the graphical method. These are also compared to the population growth of curves, different cities, nothing but in a town or a city, population is living in various places, and various places, peoples are increased day by day, and that one is the people increased day by day. That is carefully watch that and how much amount of increased, and note that increased percentage. Note that increased percentage. The population growth of curve, different cities A, B, C, D, or different points plotted in the graph. Uh, the curve is will be indicate the trend of growth of population in the city by comparing the uh, nature of the curves under the consideration. The dotted lines shows the expected populations of the city under consideration. Dotted lines means this one, Y. Expected population of the city under consideration. Basically, key point of view, either population increased. Clear? That one is the dotted line. Why this is a dotted line shows the expected population of the city under consideration. That is compared to the graphical method. ABCD is compared to the previous method. Population per year 1930 to approximately 1990. That is in next master plan method. One point of view, the master plan method nothing but in the various places, how much amount of population and how much amount of industries, how much amount of commercial zones, how much amount of residential zones. These are identified the how much amount of population in particular zones. That is carefully measured, and these values may be developed, and developed may be useful to before days, very useful to uh, calculating the how much amount of water needed. That is in master plan method. Basically, in this method, master plan of the city should be prepared by dividing the cities into various zones. Cities into various zones such as residential, industrial, and commercial zone. The future expansion of the city should also be regulated with the bylaws of the corporation. The population density of different zones are predetermined. The population density of different zones are predetermined. In case of population increased and the particular places, living is should be considered when the city will be fully developed and particular area the population is increased, that is in living area. When the people are living in industrial area is less amount, not interested to living, that is industrial. Same as when the city will be fully developed, the probable population may be forecasting by study the master plan method. And next, these are the graphical representation of variations of water demand, particular excess of demand in case of, and also peak hourly demand. Peak hourly demand means in previous class only per day two timings. That is morning 6 to 9 a.m. and evening 6 to 8 p.m. That is 2 hours use amount of water. That is in 180 percentage of daily demand. 180 percentage of more than 180 percentage of daily demand, that is peak hourly demand. Average demand is basically these dotted lines nothing but average daily demand. Clear? Excess demand means in case of any usage, that is used the excess demand representation. And peak hourly demand nothing but daily two times, that is in the timings of morning 6 to 9 a.m. and evening is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. These two timings are peak hourly demand. This amount of water is used. And small example, problems of water demand in a small town or small area. That is, estimate the water demand for a small town having the probable population as 50,000 after 3 decades. After 3 decades, in the population is 50,000. Assume the reasonable data. Assume this assumption. That one is domestic demand is 135 liters per capita day. Capita nothing but consumption point of view. For schools and college, 5,000 students, approximately 5,000 students. Each student 50 liters capta per day for hospitals, for factories, hospitals, offices, hostels, hotels, restaurants, for markets and cinema halls. These are different types of water demands is there and water need also, and how much amount of population, how much people is needed, that is clearly mentioned. Basically 135, 5,000, 125, 40, 300, 30, 150, 50, 15. That is needed. That is requirement. That is in the next for fire demand, for parks and swimming pools, for losses in lossage and wastage point of view, 10 liters capta per day. These are calculated. How to calculate water demand? For suppose the basic example, domestic demand. Domestic demand is 135 liters per capita per day. For example, 50,000 people. 50,000 people per day. Per day is 50,000 people into per day capita consumption. That one is 50,000 into 135, nothing but 67 lakh 50,000 liters per day. Here, next one, the demand for the schools and colleges, same as demands and the schools and colleges, nothing but 5,000 students. That is 5,000 into per day 50 liters. 5,000 into 50, that is 2 lakh 50,000. Same as these criteria, calculate the how much amount of water, particular demands of different types is there. Finally, total amount 1 crore 7 lakhs 12,500 liters per day consumption, around 50,000 population. Clear? These are the problems and the different types of problems is there in previous class, and carefully listen. Thank you.